Oh my goodness. How lucky can we be? We have received a major award. Yes, you heard me right. Major award. And it must be Italian. Fragile. Let's see what it is. Major award. The Perennial Plant Association's 2025 Plant of the Year. Pycnanthemum muticum, also known as mountain mint. There it is in black and white, guys. We've done it. Let's see what this major award looks like. Major award, and I have just the place for it. Mountain mint. All kidding aside, it is a great plant, and it's a wonderful plant to have in your yard. It's not a diva, and it's not going to say, look at me, I'm the star of the show. But it is a great supporting actor in the garden. It's deer resistant, bunny resistant, tough as nails, hardy. It can grow anywhere pretty much. Like right now, it's in the blazing sun, but before I cut that tree down over there, it was also in shade and did very well. It's wonderful in my yard, and I'm proud to have it. And we'll probably want to get some more. But let me read y'all a little bit about the mountain mint. I'm not even kidding when I say it's hot. Even though it's the first day of fall, in Mississippi, it's still 90 degrees. But my mountain mint's doing good. So let me read you a little bit about the major award winner, mountain mint. Pycnanthemum muticum, clustered mountain mint. Clustered mountain mint, also known as blunt mountain mint or short-toothed mountain mint, is a tough and adaptable perennial native to meadows and open woodlands across much of the eastern United States west to Texas. It is not a true mint, but belongs to the same family and has similarly scented leaves. A must-have for pollinator gardens, heads of tiny white to light pink blooms attract butterflies, wasps, and bees from July to September. The inconspicuous flowers are upstaged by surrounding silver bracts, which give the illusion of frost in summer and persist for months. Clustered mountain mint has no serious disease issues, and its aromatic foliage is unpalatable to deer and rabbits. Branched vertical stems grow 2 to 3 feet tall and form a dense, weed-suppressing clump. Clustered mountain mint spreads by underground rhizomes and can be aggressive in moist conditions, though it's not invasive to the degree of true mints. Let's see, where am I? Okay. Site clustered mountain mint in an area where it can freely naturalize and mingle among other plants. Its silver sheen plays well with other flower colors and contrasts wonderfully with dark foliage. Companions include black-eyed Susans, bee balms, blazing stars, and Joe Pye weeds, and native grasses such as little blue stem and switchgrass. It's hardy in USDA zones 4 to 8, full sun to part shade, spreads by rhizomes. It's native to the eastern United States. The soil prefers medium to high moisture, fertile, well-draining soils, tolerates clay soils, less tolerant of drought than most other mountain mints. I don't know, my mountain mint's done pretty well and I hardly ever watered it. I'm sorry, mountain mint. And here you were, a star all along, and I've barely even given you any water. I'm proud of it though, so I'm probably going to give it some water this afternoon. Now let me show y'all where I'm going to put the major award. Get out of here, basketball. You're being replaced by a real award winner. The major award goes to Mountain Mint. Yay! Thank you, thank you, thank you. And here it is, the major award winning Perennial Plant Association's 2025 Plant of the Year, Mountain Mint. Well deserved, well deserved. I think y'all should put some in your gardens too.